Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's podcast, we will learn about what is PCOS and how to reverse it naturally. Let me introduce myself Dr. Zeba Naaz, an Ayurvedic practitioner, diet and lifestyle consultant and certified yoga trainer. Since last 8 years, I am practicing providing Ayurvedic treatment globally, helping thousands of female reversing their hormonal problems and metabolic disorders. So let's begin this podcast and let's enhance our knowledge regarding PCOS. First of all, I would like to explain you what is PCOS. Actually, PCOS stands for polycystic ovarian syndrome. The word syndrome itself signifies that the person is struggling not just with one condition but with multiple of health issues. There are a number of symptoms patient will tell you, and patient will suffer from number of symptoms. Now, if two ladies are sitting or two girls are sitting having PCOS, the symptoms will be different and the root cause will be different. So, it is important that you should know the symptoms will vary from person to person. But what are the general and common symptoms? The very general and the common symptoms are irregular menstrual cycle. Other are high level of androgens or male hormones and obesity. Let's discuss more about the symptoms. The list of the symptoms are so long. It includes various of things like hair fall, alopecia, thinning of hair, roughness of hair. That means in simple words, hair related issues. The second one is your skin related issues. You can face darkening of skin or you can face pigmentation, skin tags you can face, and not only this, your skin become more sensitive and acne prone. When we talk about our digestive or gut health, it also impact our gut health. We are unable to digest food easily. We feel constipated. We feel bloated, and we feel the condition like our stomach is aching all the time. So there are a number of gut issues. If we come towards the pain condition, the female may complain about the abdominal pain or pain in the left side of the ovary or the right side of the ovary, or the left ovarian pain or the right ovarian pain, or a female can complain of lower abdominal pain or lower back pain. Along with this, a female can feel fatigue, anxiety, depressed, many more things. When we talk about the voice, female may face hoarseness of voice, changes in the voice. She may feel the changes in the appearance. She may feel the changes like her body is not like a female body. It is turning like a male body. It is just because high level of androgens. So there are a number of symptoms, but when we are talking about PCOS, it is not same for all. In that case, you need to discuss with your doctor what all symptoms you are facing, and selecting a doctor wisely is very important, because nowadays there are a number of physicians, number of doctors are available, but if you are not selecting your doctor or physician carefully, then you are just wasting your time and your problem will aggravate with the time span. Let's understand the causes of PCOS. Number one is your insulin resistance. A body is making insulin but not using it is the common factor, due to which obesity occurs. So many female think by reducing weight he can just cure PCOD or PCOS. Actually, by reducing weight or managing weight can help in managing the symptoms, but it is not for the curance. The other cause can be genetical factors. If any member in your family already struggling with the same, you may also suffer. The chances are higher. Next one is your pills induce. If you are taking hormonal pills or you are on any kind of hormonal medication, leaving those medication, hormones in your body and leading to hormonal imbalance can also be a cause of your PCOS. Your bad lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, inactive lifestyle, and you are not engaged in any kind of physical workout, this can also be a cause. Let's understand and learn about the natural approaches to reverse PCOS. Number one is your dietary change. We are what we eat. This is the very common phrase you all know. So, eating healthy instead of dieting is important. Dietary changes are very important. To my patient, I usually teach them about the replacing therapy. It's not important to learn what you have to leave. It is important to learn what you have to replace. If you are habitual of drinking tea, then you should know what all things you have to replace, which milk you have to replace. If you are taking animal based milk, it is important to reduce inflammation and to reduce insulin resistance. Just shift towards plant based milk. If you are feeling bloated, in that case, it is important you should start using pink salt instead of white salt. If you are struggling with insulin resistance or weight gain, in that case, you need to cut off white sugar and you need to switch towards stevia or honey or raisin paste. These are the various things. In this way, it will be easy for you to manage your condition and reverse your condition naturally. Remember one thing, when the condition is worse, it is important to take medication. Supplements are for the deficiency condition. You can't completely depend on supplements or completely depending on diet or completely depending on physical workout. Everything goes hand in hand. You have to follow each and everything properly and in a correct manner. Next come lifestyle modification. It include exercise. You have to emphasize on physical workout, or you don't have to go to gym, but you can simply do asanas at home and learn single asanas like chakki asan, like bhujanga asan, or you can call it cobra pose or butterfly pose and surya namaskar. They are super effective. Next is stress management, very important, which can't be ignored. In that case, manage your stress through meditation or mantra therapy. Very important to do mantra therapy. It will relax your mind and you will not feel depressed. I would recommend you that Ayurvedic therapies and herbs will do magic in your life. In my 8 years of practice, I have been recommending and prescribing number of females Cystsafa, their hormonal condition. It's just a single medicine, but will do magic in your life and give magical result. Resolving your cyst naturally, by balancing your hormone, by regulating your periods, of endometriosis, adenomyosis, all the symptoms you are facing help in that case. Within 3 months of use of Cystsafa, you can see before and after result. But again, I want to focus on important point, that is never ever depend on medicine completely. You have to focus each and everything in a balanced way. So balanced diet is important, lifestyle modification is important, and proper medication is important.